Hello, my name is Chelsea Williams, and today I'm going to be doing a brief overview of my thematic E-unit. The theme of my balanced literacy E-unit is dinosaurs. My unit ties together fiction and nonfiction stories as I relate them to topics of today across various lessons. The standards that will be addressed can include read and comprehend complex literature and informational text independently with scaffolding as needed, and it also will help explain diversity, tolerance, fairness, and respect for others. In my unit, I have a collection of literacy that is available to students for free online, where they can read books and listen to books. In my unit, I not only have various reading levels, I also have various types of reading. There are fiction and nonfiction from levels E to I. It is so important to have a wide variety of books so that every student feels that they have something interesting to them, and they are not only geared towards my high-performing students. No student feels that they are bored with the books, and it meets everyone's individual needs in the middle. Moving along to my read aloud. My read aloud is based off the book Dinosaurs Don't, Dinosaurs Do. In this, we have dinosaurs demonstrating good manners and behaviors. Students will be learning how to make connections. Connections will be made text to text, text to world, and text to self connections. After they have created one for each, the students are asked to write a paragraph explaining the connections that they have discovered. In my shared reading, students read about a boy hiding dinosaurs in his room from his parents. They will be learning CVC patterns while reading how he hides his dinosaurs, and intertwined will be Tier 2 and Tier 3 vocabulary. They will also be working with the verb ending ing and the suffix ed. They will also be introduced to onomatopoeias. In my guided reading plan, we read We're Back, a Dinosaur Story. A scientist is testing out a new vitamin on dinosaurs. She educates them, and the lucky volunteers win a special prize. The students will be testing out their abilities to determine sequence of events. With Tier 2 vocab intertwined with the lesson. At the end of the lesson, they will become paleontologists, and they will create their own fossils while researching various dinosaurs of their choosing. They will learn research strategies while doing their lesson. And then finally write a paper article about the information they have found. Finally, I have also created an ebook for students, Be Like a Dinosaur. This is to my future students. Hard work and believing can make anything happen. Be like a Tyrannosaurus. Have tiny arms and a big head with powerful jaw full of sharp teeth. Be like a Bronchiosaurus. Stretch your neck far and eat leaves off the top of trees. Be like a pterodactyl. Fly high into the sky and wait for your prey. Be like a Stegosaurus. Carry the spikes that protect you on your back and eat plants as a snack. Be any dinosaur you want to be. The end.